Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. This is CBSE Class 10 Math Series. In this video, we'll be solving 7th problem in exercise 1.1. If you check out the playlist, you can see all the previous example problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Read the question. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same point and the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Here the question is, there is a circular path. Okay. Sonia and Ravi is driving the round. So Sonia is taking 18 minutes to drive one round, and 18 minutes Sonia, and Ravi takes 12 minutes to drive one round. They are starting from the same point, same direction and same point. And after how many minutes they will meet again after one round? The question is, after how many minutes they will meet again. For this is very simple. We need to find out the LCM of this 18 minutes and 12 minutes. 12 and 18 we have to find out the LCM. Then we can find out the answer for this problem. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, we have to write the given thing in the question. What is given data in the question? Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round, and Ravi takes 12 minutes to drive one round. So now we have to write the steps. Time taken by Sonia to drive one round. How much? 18 minutes, right? 18 minutes. And second step is time taken by Ravi to drive one round. Time taken by Ravi to drive one round. How much? 12 minutes, right? Here the question is, we need to find out time taken by both Ravi and Sonia to meet again. That is the question, right? So, time taken by both to meet again. For that, we need to find out LCM of 18 and 12. Okay. Here the concept is, we need to find out LCM of 18 and 12. Here we are going to use prime factorization method, L method, for finding LCM. How we can find out the LCM? We can use L method, right? So here, this both numbers are even numbers, so I am going to take 2. I can divide this 12 by 2 completely, and also I can divide this 12 by 2 completely, so I am going to take number 2. 9 2s are 18 and 6 2s are 12. Here's 9 and 6 is there, so I can take 3, right? I can divide this 9 by 3 completely, and also I can divide 6 by 3 completely, so I am going to take 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. Here, I am going to take 2 first and then 3. I cannot divide this 3 by 2. So, I can write this as I can write this 3 as it is. So 1, 3 is, I can write 3 here, and 1, 2 is 2. Again, next I can take 3, right? One 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. So here the prime factors are 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, right? LCM is multiplication of these three, these all numbers. So LCM equal 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36, right? 36. The answer is 36 minutes. The unit is minutes. Why? Because that is given in the question. So we have to write 36 minutes. How we can write the answer? Time taken by both Sonia and Ravi. Both Sonia and Ravi to meet again is 36 minutes. 36 minutes. We should write the unit of the answer, that is minutes, right? So this is the answer for this 7th problem in exercise 1.1. It's very simple. You understand the question first, and then you have to know the concept of LCM. How, if you know the concept of how we can find out LCM, you'll be able to find out the answer easily. So practice it and do it yourself. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and hit like button. Subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.